there was a time years ago I had hired somebody, and that's what they was basically talking about the entire time, just removing everything. And I'm like, okay, well, you're going to remove, but I don't hit the up part.
Yeah. So here we help you repair your credit. We help you rebuild and we help you reestablish. So in the process of us repairing your credit, we reach out to you and let you know, hey, well, we see you need primaries. So we'll go ahead and tell you what companies you should apply for, and we'll help you through that process, okay, of applying for primary accounts, okay? We'll also help you get your utilization down. Some people come to me, the utilization is a bit high on their credit cards, okay? So you want to make sure you're underneath a 30% when it comes down to your credit card utilization. So every 35 days, we'll give you a call, be like, hey, how are you? You know, this is where you're at this month. This is what came off. This is how much your scores has increased. But we see you may be a little bit high on on these credit cards. So this is what we need you to do. And we'll break it down. On Chase, you're here. On Capital One, you're here. Okay, on Navy Federal, you're here. And we'll say, well, this is what you have. This is your credit limit, but this is how much you owe. And then we'll tell you, well, this is how much you need to pay. Okay, so we actually step by step you. That way you won't be over here trying to figure out, well, what should I pay? Well, I did pay. Some people feel as if, oh, well, I just paid them. You know, I get people say, I just paid them. Well, how much you paid them?
Right, you think I did what
I just paid. I just paid that credit card. And you be like, okay, well, how much did you pay? Or you'll take a look at that credit report just to see. Right. You can't have a $5,000 credit limit, okay? And you use $3,400 and you tell me you only paid the minimum of $139 or $59 or whatever the minimum is. You can't do that. You have to get under that 30% in order, if you want to see the maximum of your credit increase, pay under 7%, okay? If you can get it down that low. But you definitely want to pay more than just the monthly payment, okay? You want to definitely add more on to that. And if you are, for some reason, in a situation where you can't pay it all the way down and that utilization is just too high, hey, call a credit card company and ask for a line of increase in that credit card.
See, most people don't even know they can do that.
Yeah, you can.
But they don't tell you that.
Exactly. So we're here at Pleasant Financial Services. We want to make sure your numbers go up. So we're here to help you. So basically, that's what we do. We educate you in the process of repairing your credit and rebuilding and reestablishing your credit. When you get done with us, you're going to know exactly what to do, what not to do, and how to do it.